guys, how to make this shit.
The water.
We only need 800 ml.
Procedures. Prepare a salt
That's 1,000.
water solution by mixing 300 mg salt into 710 ml water.
Salt water solution by mixing.
Sikat rin malakas boses.
Cut.
You read. Malakas boses.
Saan? Ano?
Ano ba?
Huwag mo ipakita. Prepare a salt water by mixing 300 ml salt into 710 ml water. Shaking or stirring until completely dissolved. This will be your chromatography standard. Pour a bowl of salt water into a container glass. The second is prepare an alcohol solution by pouring rubbing alcohol into a clean container glass to a liquid level of 1/4 inches. Get 2 pieces of chromatography paper or cut out 2 8 by 8 centimeter rectangles from the coffee filter.